captions are a great way to make your video more accessible to a wider audience, and using Capcut makes it super easy to do so. So let's dive right into the video. Hello everyone, and welcome back to our channel. Today I'm going to be showing you how to create auto captions using Capcut. Step 1. Open the Capcut app on your phone and select the video project you want to add auto captions on. Step 2. Tap on the text or subtitle at the bottom of the screen. Then tap auto caption and click on generate. Capcut will automatically generate captions for your video. Step 3. Customize caption. You can customize your caption by clicking on animations. You have your fonts, you have styles, you have effects. Click on any one to suit your preference. You can also resize your caption size to suit your video. Step 4. Review and adjust. Once the auto captions are generated, review them to ensure accuracy. By that, you click on the caption and making the necessary changes. Once you are done making the necessary changes and you are satisfied with the captions generated, then you tap on the save button and export your video. There you have it. You have successfully created auto captions for your video using Capcut on your phone. It is a simple yet more effective way to make your content more accessible to your audience or to everyone. Found this video helpful? Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching.